Understanding and managing chronic pain. Chronic pain is a pervasive and complex medical condition that affects millions of individuals worldwide. Unlike acute pain, which is a normal response to an injury or illness and typically subsides as the underlying cause heals, chronic pain persists for an extended period, often for 3 months or more. This persistent pain can profoundly impact an individual's physical, emotional, and social well-being, significantly reducing their quality of life. Understanding the nature of chronic pain and implementing effective management strategies are paramount in providing relief and improving the lives of those who suffer from this debilitating condition. The nature of chronic pain. Chronic pain is more than just a symptom. It is a multifaceted condition that can arise from various sources and affect different parts of the body. It can result from an initial injury, such as a back sprain, or may develop due to an ongoing medical condition like arthritis or fibromyalgia. The pain experienced is often described as persistent, recurring, dull, sharp, burning, aching, or throbbing, and it can range from mild to severe. Causes of chronic pain. Musculoskeletal conditions. Chronic pain can stem from musculoskeletal disorders like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or conditions affecting the muscles or ligaments. Neuropathic pain. Damage to the nerves can lead to neuropathic pain, characterized by sensations of tingling, burning, or shooting pain. Conditions like diabetic neuropathy and postherpetic neuralgia fall into this category. Inflammatory pain. Inflammatory conditions like Crohn's disease, lupus, or vasculitis can cause chronic pain due to inflammation in the body. Central sensitization. Central sensitization occurs when the central nervous system becomes hypersensitive, amplifying pain signals. Conditions like fibromyalgia and complex regional pain syndrome are examples. Post-surgical or post-traumatic pain. After surgery or an injury, some individuals may experience persistent pain in the affected area, even after the initial healing period. Psychogenic pain. Psychological factors can contribute to chronic pain or exacerbate existing pain conditions. This could include depression, anxiety, or unresolved emotional trauma. Impact of chronic pain. Chronic pain extends beyond physical discomfort. It can significantly affect an individual's mental and emotional well-being, leading to anxiety, depression, irritability, difficulty concentrating, and sleep disturbances. Additionally, chronic pain can disrupt daily activities, limit mobility, strain relationships, and diminish the overall quality of life. Managing chronic pain. Effectively managing chronic pain necessitates a comprehensive approach that considers the biological, psychological, and social aspects of the individual. It involves a combination of medical treatments, lifestyle modifications, self-care strategies, and emotional support to enhance pain control and improve overall functioning. Medical interventions. Medical treatments for chronic pain aim to alleviate or manage the pain, address the underlying causes, and enhance the individual's ability to function. These treatments may include medications, pain relievers, anti-inflammatory drugs, muscle relaxants, and antidepressants can help manage chronic pain. For neuropathic pain, medications like gabapentin or pregabalin may be prescribed. Physical therapy. Physical therapists can design personalized exercise programs to improve mobility, flexibility, and strength. Techniques like manual therapy, heat/cold therapy, and transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, TENS, can also be beneficial. Interventional procedures. Procedures like injections, e.g., epidural injections, nerve blocks, or nerve ablation can be performed to provide pain relief by targeting specific nerves or areas. Surgical interventions. In some cases, surgery may be considered to repair or alleviate the source of chronic pain, such as herniated disc surgery or joint replacement. Lifestyle modifications. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular, low-impact exercise such as swimming, walking, or yoga can help improve strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Exercise triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers. Healthy diet. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help manage weight and reduce inflammation, potentially easing chronic pain. Adequate sleep. establishing a consistent sleep schedule and creating a relaxing bedtime routine can improve sleep quality, which is crucial for pain management and overall health. Stress management. Practicing stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or meditation can alleviate tension and reduce pain perception. Psychological support. Counseling and therapy. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and counseling can help individuals develop coping mechanisms, change negative thought patterns, and manage the emotional impact of chronic pain. Biofeedback and relaxation techniques. Learning biofeedback and relaxation techniques can empower individuals to gain control over their physiological responses, such as muscle tension, to reduce pain and stress. Support groups. Joining support groups or engaging with others who experience chronic pain can provide emotional support, understanding, and a platform to share experiences and coping strategies. Complementary and alternative therapies. Acupuncture. Acupuncture involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate nerve function and potentially alleviate pain. Massage therapy. Massage can help relax muscles, improve circulation, and reduce tension, providing temporary relief from chronic pain. Chiropractic care. Chiropractic adjustments may help individuals with chronic pain, especially in cases related to the spine or musculoskeletal system. Self-care strategies. Pacing activities. Breaking tasks into manageable chunks and pacing activities throughout the day can help prevent overexertion and reduce the risk of exacerbating pain. Hot and cold therapies. Applying heat packs or cold packs to the affected area can temporarily relieve pain and reduce inflammation. Topical pain relief. Using topical creams or patches containing analgesic ingredients can provide localized relief from chronic pain. Education and empowerment. Understanding the nature of chronic pain, learning about the condition and available treatments, and actively participating in one's own care can empower individuals to make informed decisions and advocate for themselves. Conclusion. Chronic pain is a complex and challenging condition that affects millions of people globally, impacting their physical, emotional, and social well-being. Successful management of chronic pain involves a holistic approach that addresses the biological, psychological, and social aspects of the individual. By combining medical treatments, lifestyle modifications, psychological support, and self-care strategies, individuals can enhance their pain control and improve their overall quality of life. Early intervention, personalized treatment plans, and a support network are vital components in the journey toward effectively managing chronic pain and finding relief.